Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to create Google Cloud account without credit card. So first of all, go ahead right here and start using or basically go to the official website of Google Cloud. And then what you're going to do, you're going to just start for free, right? And basically what you're going to do next, you're going to just enter your information, your name, your brand, and all that stuff, right? You're going to just wait for a few moments right here. And basically select the country and then just follow along the with the CN text prompts, so you can get a better understanding on how to make it done, how to get it done. Sorry, you have chosen Saudi Arabia as your billing address. Google Cloud is partnering with CN Text, our exclusive reseller in the region, right? So you're gonna continue with the CN Text, right? And you're gonna just follow along the on-screen instructions. So afterwards, if you want to know how to basically you're gonna be able to use with a credit card or not use Google Cloud, you're gonna see right here, you must provide a credit card or other payment method to set up cloud billing account and verify your identity. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.